The Tacoma really would be perfect if it weren't for just this one little thing. Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. You know, the Tacoma really would be perfect if it wasn't for just this one little thing, this crazy little thing. And I know, I've said before on the channel that the Tacoma really is the perfect truck, but you know, the more time I spend in it, the more times I get in and out of it, there is just this one stupid little thing. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. This is how I get in and out of the truck, right? I step up here. Now my truck is lifted, so it's higher than normal. It's higher than stock. Just high enough that I have to step on the steps that I have down here just to be comfortable getting in and out. I mean, I could step up and over, you know, like this. I could do this and then push myself in off the step. You know, I could do that. When I get out, it's not that big of a deal. This really is just an entrance kind of thing. So this is how I get in the truck right now. When I walk up, I usually put my left foot on the step down there, right? Now, what do? You could kind of thrust yourself in. I'm not even going to do it because if I do, I'm probably going to smack my head on the roof or something. So I have to reach in. I got to grab something. I could grab the door and kind of twist myself, but that's kind of a drag. So I grab the steering wheel. You guys can probably already guess where this is going, right? So I grab the steering wheel, I step up, and then maneuver myself in the truck. Now, you might say, well, that's not such a big deal, is it? Well, there's a couple of reasons why I don't like doing that. One, I don't like putting wear on the steering wheel, you know? I don't like putting pressure on it, pulling it sideways, because I believe that after a number of years of doing that, one, you're going to maybe skew the steering wheel a little bit, right? Because you're putting a lot of pressure on it every time you get in and out. Especially if some of you fellows are out there are a little bigger than I am. You know, you're putting a lot of weight pulling that thing. I don't like that. I don't like the wear that you're putting on here. You know, I have to grab in and it's always in the same spot because hopefully my wheels are straight when I go in. So pretty much I'm always grabbing the same spot, always putting wear right there on the corner, right on that stitch work. Now, should it cause a problem? Well, you would hope not. But after years and years of doing that, it probably will. So what I'm talking about, if you haven't figured it out already, is the grab handle. Why don't we have a grab handle? We need a grab handle. And where are you aftermarketers out there? Why hasn't somebody come up with a grab handle? Now, I've heard that Toyota got rid of it because of safety concerns with the airbag, right? The airbag blows out of here, and I guess if there was a handle attached to it, it could cause injury. I don't know. But other manufacturers do it. My Jeep sitting up there has a grab handle on that side. It has airbags. Why can they do it and Toyota doesn't? I mean, you could come in here, put your foot down the same way that I did, grab up here on the pillar, you know, do one of these numbers. I mean, I guess you could do that. But again, you're going to put wear on a spot, and I don't want my hands all over here, especially if my hands are dirty. I don't want them all over this trim piece. I just don't want to do that. Plus, this thing moves. Again, after a while, and doing that several times, you're going to have wear. Now, let me show you what it should be like. Okay, we're over here. I know it's a little dim or darker over here. It's raining outside, so we're stuck in the garage. But you notice we have the grab handle here on the passenger side, right? I mean, it should be like this. You should be able to walk up, put your foot on the step, grab the grab handle, and enter the truck, right? It's a close-up view. Why don't we have that? Same thing when you're getting out. You should be able to grab onto it and securely and safely exit the vehicle, right? I'm surprised, honestly, the way that things are today, that there hasn't been some other complaint or big problem where people are actually injuring themselves getting in and out of the truck because there is no grab handle over there on the driver's side. You know, it surprises me that that hasn't become an issue, and that by not having it there, they've actually created a safety concern. So I don't know why Toyota doesn't go ahead and do something as far as a grab handle there. It really is the only thing missing from just the basic standard truck that keeps me from now saying, I guess, that the Tacoma isn't perfect. This is such a simple thing, such a minor thing, that most people that have trucks don't even think about because they probably have the grab handle there, like I do up on my Jeep Gladiator. Anyway, I'm going to issue a challenge out there to you aftermarketers. Come up with a grab handle. There are a lot of us out there, because I've gotten a lot of comments about it, that wish we had a grab handle on the driver's side of the Toyota Tacoma. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment, let me know. Do you miss your grab handle? If you had a truck that had one in it before, do you wish that you had one there like I do? Leave a comment and let me know. Also, real quick, shameless plug, check out my other channel. It is RobMotion JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator, right up there. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And if you wouldn't mind, click that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.